The bundle of sticks. Once there was a father who had many sons. The sons were always quarreling and could never agree on anything. No matter what the father said, the sons would not listen. One day, he thought of a clever plan to teach them an important lesson. When the sons were particularly quarrelsome, the father called one of them and said, "Bring me a bundle of sticks." He handed the bundle to each son and said, "Try to break it." No matter how hard they tried, the bundle would not break. The sons looked at each other in wonder. Then the father untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. "Now try to break them," he said. The sons were amazed at how easy it was to break the sticks one by one. "My sons," said the father, "do you see? If you agree with each other and help each other, no one can harm you. But if you are always fighting, you are as weak as a single stick." The sons finally understood. They promised to help one another and never quarrel again. From that day on, the sons worked together and were strong, just like the unbreakable bundle of sticks. In unity is strength.